Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, basic concept of consumers. Consumers are a basic idea in the study of economics because they are the people or households who make purchases of goods and services to meet their needs and desires. In economics, it is presumed that customers make logical decisions based on their preferences and financial constraints. A number of variables, including income, the cost of products and services, advertising, and cultural norms, have an impact on consumer behavior. Understanding utility is crucial for comprehending customer behavior in economics. Utility is the pleasure or joy that customers experience after using a product or service. In order to maximize their overall utility or satisfaction, consumers will allocate their finite resources, such as money or time, in a certain manner. The idea of consumer access is also important in the field of economics. Consumer surplus is the discrepancy between the price consumers are ready to pay and the price they actually pay for a good or service. Customers get a surplus of value or satisfaction from the purchase if they are ready to spend more than the going rate. In general, a knowledge of consumer behavior is essential to economics because it helps businesses decide on pricing strategies, product designs, and advertising strategies. It also helps policymakers create efficient consumer protection laws.